Hi friends, this is Shree, your mentor. Today we are talking about the words which you can use instead of very. Let's get started. Instead of very nervous, you can use apprehensive. Apprehensive. He felt apprehensive about the upcoming job interview at MNCs.
Instead of very rainy, you can use pouring. Pouring. I had to run to my car to avoid getting completely soaked in the pouring rain. Instead of very happy, you can use ecstatic. Ecstatic. Winning the championship made the team ecstatic.
Instead of very afraid, you can use terrified. Terrified. He was terrified of height, so climbing the tower was a daunting challenge for him.
Instead of very playful, you can use spotted. Spotted. John is very sportive and enjoys in participating in various athletic activities.
You can reach me at Shree Academy 94160 58255. Email is shreeacademy42@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy learning with Shree Academy.